Take the old floor mat out. And just place it on the new one. And just line it up. And you can take a marker and decide to cut these off. And we'll trim all this off. Cut this one off. And this one. I'm gonna cut all this off. And I'm gonna go to up here, and I can always trim back if I need to. Take your scissors, and you can use a utility knife, but scissors work pretty good. Just cut along this line. Now take the mat and slide it in position. And if you have to make any adjustments, so this needs to be trimmed back a little bit. So I'm gonna cut this off. Trim this down a little bit. And that looks pretty good. For the rear, it's even easier. Take the old mat out. Just check the position of the rear. That looks pretty good. Just gonna trim this top off. And just slide it in position. You're good to go.